Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Prabhu, you mentioned trust your Krishna consciousness, not your mind.
Huh?
Trust your Krishna consciousness, not your mind.
Yeah.
So I want to make my understanding clear on that. For example, if we take example as a prasadam, so like it's a Krishna consciousness, like it's a Krishna's prasadam, but like certain items we like, certain we don't like. So is it a cheating of mind, or how we understand it?
You like some prasadam, you don't like some prasadam.
Like we make differentiate na, like if feasting is there, our mind like the prasadam.
No, okay.
So is it a cheating of mind, or how we understand it?
No, there is a transcendental understanding of prasadam. And there is also you have your material senses. Material senses will tell today's prasadam is not tasty. That reality. If it is reality, it's not tasty. For your tongue it is not tasty. But this is offered to Krishna. It's transcendental. So that way you don't cheat. If you think that this is not prasadam, then that is, you are cheating yourself. This is tasty. Taste becomes a criterion to decide whether it is prasadam or not. Then you are cheating. So there is a reality that you accept also. There is a reality. Like Guru can chastise. Like in Hyderabad, they were giving khichdi in the Hyderabad farm. Prabhupada ate it. And that khichdi was for all the villagers. Prabhupada called the leader and told him, "What is this? See the taste of it. Even dogs won't take." So that is, he is chastising them for their service. You have to make prasadam tasty. That is your duty. Because the conditioned soul enter through pleasantness of the taste. Why do we decorate the deity so beautifully? Why do we take trouble to? Because the conditioned souls, they enter their appreciation of Krishna's beauty through the external beauty. So through the external taste, "Oh, nice prasadam," a villager will say. He has appreciated prasadam, he has appreciated Krishna. Oh, beautifully decorated deities. But they are all external. And immediately they get, because Krishna is there, he is appreciating Krishna. So it is a duty of the preachers to deliver Krishna consciousness as pleasant as possible for the conditioned souls. Now you don't get affected by that. It is the duty of the preachers to deliver nicely pleasant singing of Hare Krishna, pleasant kirtan. It is duty of the preacher. But does not mean that that is absolute. Absolute understanding is something else. If somebody without a musical sense, with devotion is singing kirtan, that is absolute. That we know. The absolute value of something. Absolute value is always there based on devotion. Kirtan or anything. Prasadam or you want to build a temple, beautiful architecture. Let them get attracted. Krishna's temple is beautiful. Like Prabhupada was asked, "Why you are making this big marble temple?" Prabhupada said, to attract the living entities, to attract, because they are after materialistic glitter. Krishna or me do not need marbles. We are already glittering. Don't need that. But they need that. Material glitter is required. Materially good taste is required. Materially nicely decorating the deities is important. Presenting Krishna consciousness nicely is also required. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur in his last days, when he was on the bed, he used to tell his secretary, send me the devotee who's got worst sense of music. Most unpleasant way he'll do kirtan because his voice is like that, no music sense. He should be singing for me here. Let him do kirtan near me. Actually, he was teaching others that the externals are not the real. It is meant for catching the living entity. For me and you, it is the nama. Which way it comes doesn't matter. Sweet, materially not sweet. Raghunath Das Goswami was picking up the rice from the gutter in Jagannath Puri. He was eating that. That means all saltiness gone, everything is gone. He's eating that. It's a transcendental value.